'cause it's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sun setting, 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24/7, 365.
Hello everyone, follow me in today's video for an exciting trip to the central of Vietnam. I have 3 days, 2 nights in Vinh Hy, Nha Trang, one of the most famous destinations for beaches in Vietnam. And this is October, the autumn time. The weather is pleasant for sightseeing and outdoor activity. In 3 day, 2 night trip, I tried the most signature of Vinh Hy, Nha Trang like the Grape garden, the Otter Cave, fresh seafood, the boat trip to Iceland for swimming, and also the sheep farm. It's very interesting, and if you plan to go to Nha Trang this time, I think you can apply this schedule. Let's go! We have a morning flight, so I need to go to the airport in the early morning at around 3 a.m. It takes about 40 minutes from my home to the airport. The cost for taxis is 10 USD. This time I fly with Vietjet Air, one of the most common domestic airline brand in Vietnam. It's a low-cost carrier, so they often delay. Luckily, the plane take off on time, and after nearly 2 hours flight, we reached to Nha Trang. You can see the beach, the mountain below, so exciting. This is the Grape garden. If you come to Nha Trang, don't forget to visit this site. The climate in Ninh Thuận is suitable for grape to grow. This area is spacious. I don't know how many gardens here. In big garden, many small gardens inside. I like the way local people doing their business. The entrance fee is free. Grape is free to taste too. You can go around, take pictures, try grape on table without any payment. Then they invite you to buy local products such as the grape wine, grape syrup, fresh grape cake, and so on. The price is reasonable, under $2 for 1 kilo of fresh grape, $3 per bottle of grape wine. Extremely cheap price. What I like here is they create authentic experience. I can watch, I can touch, and I can harvest the grape right at the garden. It's so interesting. And at the end of the garden is a large well for water storage and irrigation activities. I can see small fish swimming on the water. And I promise if you have a kids, they will like this experience. We spend time trying different kinds of wine and syrup. It's good. And also we try to become good gardeners. You see, everyone loves these activities. 1 cup of tea at noon under the tree is perfect. Next to this rice garden, we are visiting a green garden waiting to be harvested. And this is an automatic water system. After 1 hour here, we leave the garden and come back to the bus and ready for lunch. In Vinh Hy, Nha Trang, you can try many kinds of seafood here, like the oysters, shrimp, squid, fish. I also enjoy the scenery outside the bus on the way to the hotel. It feels like you escape from the bustle city. In the afternoon, we get on an electric bus to Hang Dai, the Otter Cave, the must-visit site here. About 35 kilometers from Phan Giang City, Hang Giai is a unique place with majestic rocky mountains and unique foresee coral reef located in the Núi Chúa National Park. You can see the ocean, the rock, the cactus harmony creating a picturesque place. The wooden bridge hugging Núi Chúa means the loss of mountain in English is another Instagrammable spot in Hang Giai. From here, tourists can capture the breathtaking beauties of Vietnam East Seas. Our group spent 1 hour and a half here and then come back to hotel to check in before dinner. This is Vinh Hy. Vinh Hy is Hang Giai. Vinh Hy is one of the most famous attraction, like very beautiful beaches in Vietnam. You can see the clouds, water, and the rock. The tour guide said that it has been for 1,000 years and it's very beautiful. This dinner with local beer and seafood I feel is better than the lunch. Compared to other big cities, the price is reasonable, affordable to live here. After that, we move to the next stage, next activity, celebrate birthday for some group members. It's not easy to find a karaoke in Vinh Hy. We need to move 30 kilometers to Phan Giang City. Good morning! The second day, I have breakfast at the restaurant's hotel. I don't like the hotel menu for breakfast. It's quite basic, but I like the view from the restaurant. I can see the water and the sky. We start our journey today at 8 a.m. It's sunny and quite hot. You can see the sunlight. We move a little bit to the harbor near the hotels and take a canoe to an island. You can see the blue water is natural, majestic and great view. With natural advantages, Vinh Hy attracts lots of tourists year-round and many investors come here. They build resorts, hotels and offer unique service. Our boat had a glass bottom boat. At the end of the boat there is a large glass and the driver will take us to the coral viewing area. However, this is not the season for beautiful coral, but seeing the ocean from the bottom of a boat is also an interesting experience. We arrived at a small fishing village surrounded by the ocean. Local people living here, living together with the ocean. They raise fish and they do tourism. Like other villages, this village has an area raising fish, seafood, and a long sandy beach. You can spend an hour here to take photos, to swim, kayaking, and so on, with the rock and the cactus as well. I try to keep balance on this wooden bridge. My advice is you need to do activities, outside activity like swimming, taking photo or kayaking in the early morning because it is sunny and it's quite hot, scorching after 11 a.m. I enjoy my time here and see a little friend. Can you guess which animal is it? He's so cute and he's newborn. We embark on motorboat and come back to the restaurant near our resort before lunch. Lots of fresh seafood here. I enjoy another meal with the sea view. As a origin schedule, our group will have a team building this afternoon. However, it's hot outside and everyone feels tired after a long sea trip. We decided to come back to hotel and skip team building, prepare for gala dinner in the evening. We join in the event, some funny games. The last day is time for animal. On the way, we stopped at a favorite spot for a panoramic view of Vinh Hy, then head to the farm, see, feed, and check in with many cute sheep.
Local people, they open the farm, decorate with beautiful flowers, animals, and then sell the ticket. $2 per entrance ticket. If you want to feed the sheep, you can buy grass with a small fee. It's cloudy, not too hot. I feel pleasant, but it's not good for picture, right? Leave the farm at around 3 p.m. We transfer to Cam Ranh Airport, check in to fly back to Hanoi, but the flight delayed an hour. In general, this trip is well organized and I really enjoy it, especially after a long hard-working time. The note is that this area is still developed. It's not convenient like big city. You should pack enough necessary things. The good part is everything is cheap and natural, no vendors, not too touristy. I promise you will like it. And that's all for video today. Thank you for watching my 3-day 2 nights vlog to Vinh Hy, Nha Trang. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video. Bye!